Okay, awesome stuff. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the Tuesday Market Watch. I know that today we are starting off early. That's because I'm awake during the Tokyo session and the Australian session or the Sydney session, right? Cool. I'm gonna go through some couple of trades that I'm looking at this morning, so that when you guys wake up, can wake up to these trades and see what we are looking at and possibly trade with me. I do have a couple of one-on-ones, later on today, so that's why I have to record this very early in the early hours of morning, so that you guys can grab some information throughout the day. Okay, cool stuff. Now, what is going on and what is expected today in the market? Let's go to the economic calendar and see a couple of things. I hope you guys have seen how we trade high impact news on the video that I sent in the group. I'm gonna send one more video after this so that you guys can have another thing to look at and possibly see how things go. Okay, awesome stuff. We know that some positive news came out in Japan. That is why buying JPY is still in the negative, because the news went positive in Japan, right? Giving the Japanese yen a little bit of strength, right? Cool stuff. Now, at 6:30 South African time, in the early hours of morning, I'm expecting to see the interest rate decision from Australia, which will surely move the market. And but I believe that the interest rates are going to move the market, yes, but they're not going to change. I believe the interest rates are not going to change. Let's see how things go, right? Now, let's see. Later on in the early hours of morning, there will be some German factory orders and some construction PMI, retail, month on month, some economic sentiments, etc. But the market is going to move today, right? Let's go into, let's look at a couple of trades that I am looking at today. Today I'm looking at XAU USD, which is gold, right? Gold is one of the trades that I am fascinated about. Let us see, I'm trying to share my screen here. Cool stuff. Now, cool stuff. So today I'm very fascinated about what gold is about to do. I'm very, looking forward to what gold can do today, right? First thing that can happen is that gold can just go down from where we are right now. Number two thing that can happen is that market can push up, and then from there start going down once again. Then third thing that can happen here is that market can go up and come back down, and then start shooting towards the top side. These are three possible things that can happen today. I'm really watching this one, with a hawk's eye to see how things turn out. I am really looking at this one. All of these three ideas are possible, right? Let us look at CAT-CHF. CAT-CHF, as I mentioned yesterday, that market is going to push all the way up. Market has pushed all the way up. Now, market is finding resistance here and failing to break. There is quite a significant resistance up there, which I believe now with this rejection, this is now pointing things towards south, right? It's possible. Let us see on a 15-minute time frame. It's possible that it's pointing things towards south, but let us see how things turn out. I can only be confident when this kind of a support is broken towards the downside, right? Cool stuff. But now let me cancel these since it's still a prediction. And let us look at Euro USD, right? I've taken a look again on Euro USD and see something possible that I've been looking at. Once again, I restructured my structure as, the way we were looking at from yesterday is that this line was a little bit lower. But now when I lifted it up, I started using these top and this bounce in the market and this other one as confluent to what may be happening here. Now, what can happen? What is possible here? This is very possible right here. This is what I'd love to see going on Euro USD right there. That is what's going on, and that is what is possible in this particular case. That is what's going on. It's very possible. I'm expecting something anyway close like this one. Then USD do you have anything there? Nothing. And then USD is slowly, pushing towards the downside. Let me move my stop loss and I'll quickly update you guys on the group. A little bit lower here. I'll quickly update you guys in the group and tell you where my stop loss is. At least if I can move it to 17 pips, so that can make a difference. The thing is, I'm suspecting that this right here has been a great, beautiful breakout towards the top side, and now market is trying to push further down so that it can, kick a little bit, kick some people out before continuing towards the top side. That's how I'm feeling at the moment, right? So what are the rules of trading that I use? Say support, for instance, using price action, and this is the price action that I'm talking about here in this particular case. ADUSD, nothing much. USD ZAR, guys, USD ZAR, I have a buy here in place now simply because of the structure and how we've been looking at the market on a daily time frame from the previous videos, right? I'm expecting markets to start going up in this particular case right here. Let's see how things go on USD ZAR, but I'm confident, right? USD CAD, I'm not liking. GBP CAD, I am not liking. Euro GBP, still on a bearish market here. I'm not going to be participating anytime soon. Yeah, man, that's all that's going on right now in the market. I will be helping you guys throughout the day in the market. So let us see how things go in the market. See you guys on the other side of the withdrawals. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will see you guys very soon. Shalom.